So let's start off with our first case study then on treatments and health decisions. So it's some really important context that various international laws and guidelines stress the importance of respecting the autonomy of children and involving minors in decision making when it comes to treatment and research participation within healthcare contexts. However, there is no universally agreed agreement that exists as to what age minors or young people are deemed or are decided to be decision making competent. So there's no guidelines that are globally agreed upon in terms of at what age teenagers or adolescents or children become people who should be able to make decisions. And as we've seen in our previous lesson, that exists for a lot of different contexts in the world, like the age that you can vote, the age that you can drive, the age that you can drink alcohol, etc., etc. And we'll see more examples of that as we progress in this series of videos. So an example then from the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child. The UN is the United Nations, which set a lot of rules and guidelines for member states of the United Nations. And in Article 12 they state this statement: children shall be provided with the opportunity to be heard in any judicial or administrative proceeding affecting the child directly. So, in which case, it's an example where they are emphasising children should be involved in the decision making of decisions that regard the law or the administrative proceedings that affect them. So, if it's a decision affecting them directly, they should be involved, which is what the UN Convention is saying. This doesn't mean that this applies to every decision. It will apply to some, especially regarding the children themselves.